A lot of people hear the phrase AI careers and immediately assume they need a computer science degree, years of coding experience, or some genius-level technical background. But that's simply not true. In fact, some of the fastest-growing AI careers today are being filled by people who don't have traditional technology degrees at all. Business professionals, healthcare workers, project managers, data analysts, sales teams, marketing specialists, and everyday people who simply learned how to use AI tools better than the average worker. The truth is, we're entering one of the biggest workplace shifts in decades. Companies everywhere are trying to figure out how to use artificial intelligence to save time, reduce costs, improve productivity, and stay competitive. And that creates opportunity. The question is no longer whether AI will affect your career. The question is whether you'll learn how to use it before everyone else does. In this video, we're breaking down the best AI careers for beginners, what these jobs actually involve, how much they can pay, and which paths offer the best opportunities for people starting from scratch. Let's get into it. First, let's clear up one major misconception. Not every AI career involves building artificial intelligence. Some people create AI systems. Others use AI systems. And right now, companies desperately need people in both categories. The good news for beginners is that using AI professionally is often much easier to learn than building AI from the ground up. That brings us to our first career, AI prompt specialist. This is one of the most talked about AI careers in recent years. Prompt specialists focus on communicating effectively with AI systems. Their job is creating instructions, workflows, templates, and processes that help businesses get better results from tools like ChatGPT and other AI platforms. Now here's the reality. Many companies don't actually need someone writing prompts all day. What they need are employees who understand how to integrate AI into business operations. That's why prompt engineering is often best viewed as a skill rather than a standalone career. Still, professionals who understand advanced prompting can become extremely valuable in marketing, sales, operations, customer service, and content creation. For beginners, this is one of the easiest places to start because the learning curve is relatively low. Next is AI content specialist. Businesses produce enormous amounts of content. Blog articles, social media posts, email campaigns, video scripts, product descriptions, training materials, and AI is helping companies create this content faster than ever before. AI content specialists learn how to combine artificial intelligence with human creativity. They use AI tools to accelerate production while ensuring quality, accuracy, and consistency. Many people enter this field without formal degrees. Instead, they build portfolios, develop workflows, and demonstrate results. Average salaries vary significantly, but experienced content professionals can earn strong incomes through employment, freelancing, or agency work. For beginners looking to enter AI quickly, this is one of the most accessible paths available. Another excellent option is becoming a data analyst. Now, this career existed long before AI, but artificial intelligence has dramatically changed how analysts work. Data analysts help organizations understand information, identify trends, and make better business decisions. Today, AI tools can automate parts of the analysis process, making analysts more productive than ever before. The important thing to understand is that companies still need people who can interpret information and communicate insights. The software may generate data, but businesses still need humans to understand what the data actually means. Data analytics offers strong salaries, excellent career growth, and opportunities across nearly every industry. For beginners willing to learn spreadsheets, reporting tools, and data visualization, this remains one of the strongest AI-related career paths. Next is AI automation specialist. This field is growing incredibly fast. Businesses are constantly searching for ways to automate repetitive tasks. Scheduling, data entry, email processing, customer communication, reporting, workflow management. AI automation specialists help companies build systems that reduce manual work. Many use no-code or low-code tools that don't require advanced programming knowledge. The value they provide can be enormous. If a business saves hundreds of hours every month through automation, the professional who created that system becomes extremely valuable. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated AI careers, business analyst. Business analysts help organizations improve processes, solve problems, and identify opportunities. Artificial intelligence is creating huge demand for professionals who understand both business operations and AI capabilities. Companies need people who can answer questions like, which tasks should be automated? Which workflows can be improved? Where can AI save money? How can productivity increase? Business analysts often act as translators between leadership teams, employees, and technology systems. For beginners who enjoy problem-solving and communication, this career can be extremely rewarding. Another growing field is AI project coordination. As companies adopt AI, they need people to help manage implementation projects. Someone has to coordinate teams, track progress, manage timelines, communicate updates, and ensure projects stay on schedule. That's where project coordinators and project managers enter the picture. Many professionals transition into these roles without highly technical backgrounds. Instead, they build skills in organization, communication, leadership, and workflow management. AI may be the technology driving change, but people still manage projects. And businesses need more project professionals than ever. Now let's discuss healthcare, because healthcare is becoming one of the biggest AI industries in the world. Hospitals, clinics, insurance companies, and healthcare systems are all exploring artificial intelligence. This creates opportunities for healthcare professionals who understand both medicine and technology. Healthcare IT specialists, Epic analysts, healthcare data analysts, medical systems coordinators. These careers often combine healthcare knowledge with digital tools and technology platforms. Let's talk about cybersecurity. As artificial intelligence becomes more common, security becomes even more important. Companies need professionals who can protect systems, monitor threats, identify vulnerabilities, and secure sensitive information. AI is helping cybersecurity professionals work more efficiently, but cybersecurity itself remains heavily dependent on human judgment. This field continues offering excellent salaries, strong job security, and long-term growth potential. For beginners willing to earn certifications and build technical skills, cybersecurity remains one of the strongest technology careers available today. Now here's something many people don't want to hear. AI is not replacing every job, but it is changing almost every job. The workers who learn how to use AI effectively will likely outperform those ignore it. The goal should not be becoming afraid of AI. The goal should be becoming valuable alongside AI, because the future workforce will likely consist of people who know how to work with intelligent tools rather than compete against them. The biggest opportunity for beginners isn't necessarily becoming an AI engineer. It's becoming someone who understands how to apply AI in real business environments. That's where many of the fastest growing opportunities exist today. And the good news is that many of these careers can be entered without massive student debt, advanced mathematics, or years of coding experience. The most important thing is starting. Learning, experimenting, building skills, and staying curious. Because the people who begin learning today may have a major advantage over those who wait several years before paying attention. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more breakdowns on AI careers, healthcare careers, certifications, trade careers, salaries, and realistic ways to improve your income without wasting years on the wrong path. And comment below, which AI career sounds most interesting to you right now?